Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free certification course provided by the HP company. And friend, you can see here, the course topic is the strategic planning. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the working professionals, freshers and the college going students. Everyone can enroll in this certificate program and get the certificates. So we are going to check all the details, what types of things you will learn and how you will get the certificate. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see yes, we are at the official page of the HP Live who is providing this certification course. And friend, I have provided the link in the video description box from where you can come to this page. So friend, you can see here in this course, you will learn how to use a SWOT, that is a strength, weakness, opportunities and threats analysis to choose the best strategies to help your business reach its long-term goals. So friend, SWOT basically used for the planning purposes, means what strategy you should take or not. So this will help you. So friend, you can see here, in this course, you will also learn how to use a SWOT analysis to consider your business strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats in order to select the most effective strategies for the success of your business. And friend, you will also simplify the process by integrating word processing and spreadsheet documents. And friend, you can see here this course was developed in collaboration with the Kelly School of Business, that is Indiana University, as a part of the United States Agency for International Development, funded and advancement and development through entrepreneurship program and training partnership for Myanmar. So friend, this is the very good type of course, and you will also get the certificates. And you can see the modules are the first business concept, then you can see technology skills, then at the end you have to do the UN survey. So this type of things you have to do. So friend, on the right hand side you can see the duration required for this course is not more than 60 minutes. It is a self-paced, so whenever you will get the free time in the weekdays or weekend, you can complete it. And friend, you can see here the course is available in English language only. And so friend, before going to check how you will register, if you have not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, internship opportunities and technology related videos. So please subscribe our channel InfoRosan. And friend, you will get this type of certificates. You can see here on the certificate you will get the logo of HP. Then you can see your name will be given and the course topic is given. And then you can see also it is this authorized certificate, sir. And at the bottom of the certificate, you will get the unique number of the certificate, sir. So you can use it in your LinkedIn profile or in your resume also. So friend, let's check how you do the registration for this course, sir. So friend, for the registration purposes, you can see, yes, you have to click on this enroll. And once you click, then you will come to this page. So friend, if you don't have an account in your HP Live, then you have to create first one. For that, you have to click on this sign up, and then you have to provide the details like your full name, your email address, your country name, then gender, and then you have to do this sign up. And once your friend sign up, then this course is add in your profile from where you can complete it and get this certificate. And friend, if you have any query regarding this free certification course, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe.